Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll up because we have to enter about phone. Now let's focus on the MIUI version, and in order to activate the developer options we have to keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. As you can see, we've got the information, so we can go back and scroll down to find additional settings because this is a place where the developer options are active. After scrolling down to the very bottom you can see the developer options, so let's tap on it, and as you can see here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can enable the strict mode, we can show view updates. Here we've got some options connected to the animations, we can show visual feedback for taps, options which are connected to the Bluetooth, to the Wi-Fi, so the networking in general, and so on and so on. So we've got plenty of options to customize, and be aware that they are advanced, so be careful. And all you have to do in order to turn on the feature, just tap on the switcher on it, and as you can see it will be immediately activated and actually applied. Of course you can turn it off whenever you want to just by tapping on the switcher again. If you've got the options without the switcher, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it in order to open much more advanced settings. So if you're done with customization of developer options, you can turn them off if you want to. Just go back to the very top of the list and tap on the switcher here, and as you can see most of the options are inactive, not all of course, but most of them. After getting back we can still see the developer options, but let's go back to the general settings, tap on additional settings again, and as you can see the developer options simply disappeared. But of course no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. So actually this is it. This is how to enable developer options in your Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.